Okay, we're going to solve the problem shown in the cartoon where we've got two cars that are going to collide and we need to calculate the velocity of car B after the collision. To do that, we're going to need to use momentum and the law of conservation of momentum. So momentum has a symbol P and it's equal to the mass of the object times its velocity. Now, momentum, like velocity, can have a positive and negative direction, so we need to choose a positive direction. I'm going to choose that direction as being positive. So, start by looking at the momentum of the objects before the collision. So, before, I can say that momentum of car A is equal to its mass, which is 2,000 kilograms, multiplied by its velocity. And if I look at its velocity here, its velocity is 8 meters per second in the positive direction. That's 8. So that equals 16,000 kilogram meters per second. Do the same for car B. So P, momentum of car B, equals its mass, which is 4,000, multiplied by its velocity. Its velocity is 1 meters per second, but it's in the negative direction, so that must be minus 1 meters per second. So that gives me a momentum of minus 4,000 kilogram meters per second. So the total momentum, which I'll call PT, equals 16,000 plus minus 4,000, which equals 12,000 kilogram meters per second. I can now look at the situation after the collision. So after, and again I need to work out the momentum of each of the vehicles. So P of A is now, its mass is still 2,000, multiplied by its velocity is now 4 meters per second in the negative direction. So it's minus 4. So that gives me a momentum of minus 8,000 kilogram meters per second. And similarly, the momentum of car B equals its mass, which is 4,000 kilograms, multiplied by the velocity, which is what we don't know yet, so we'll just call that VB. So I know that the momentum of the two cars added together must still equal 12,000 kilograms meters per second. So I can say that 12,000 must equal, well, I've got 4,000 VB plus this here minus 8,000. Okay, so I need to rearrange that to get VB equals something. So I can get VB equals 12,000 plus 8,000 divided by 4,000, which equals 5 meters per second. So the velocity of car B after the collision is 5 meters per second in the positive direction.